If you're running a small business, you need more than just an accounting solution. A subscription to QuickBooks Desktop Plus has everything you need to manage your business finances, all in one place. And it comes with additional benefits that give you more value than ever, like unlimited customer support from QuickBooks experts, and automatic data backup and recovery. In case of an emergency or entry error, you can easily restore your QuickBooks files. You'll get access to the latest QuickBooks version with the latest security patches and support for the latest operating systems. Unlimited product upgrades give you access to the newest features, and features you can only get with a QuickBooks subscription, like automating your receipt expense entries using the QuickBooks Desktop Mobile App. Want access to your QuickBooks data anytime, anywhere, and on any device? You can add that at a discount. If you already use QuickBooks Desktop, it's the same easy-to-use software you love, plus a whole lot more. Make the move in minutes, in as little as 4 clicks. QuickBooks Desktop Plus.